Have you ever been betrayed or hurt by someone who was close? G'day, my name's Mark Waite, and this is step 4 on my 10 bold steps to overcoming a setback. Forgive others. In life, people can let us down, and it can come in all shapes and sizes and from all walks of life. And the older you get, the more chance you're going to have of being let down again and again. Sometimes when you are let down, it can hurt a lot. And words like betrayed or betrayal, they're deep words of someone who you were close to, that you thought you knew, but you saw a side of them that you didn't know existed, and it came out, and it resulted in a painful experience for you. And I know I was here for a while too, for a while, and that is, I would carry around the hurt, and I would have this resentment towards this person, and it was tough because it was literally eating me from the inside. And I was angry, I was frustrated, I wanted to have revenge, I wanted to, I remember one case, this guy, I was at a point where I would have been almost happy to see him hurt in a lot of ways. And for me to do time in jail for that, and would have been happy to do the time. That's how bad that's how betrayal can otherwise affect a normal person. But I knew I needed help in this space, and I contacted a friend who I trusted, and he said to me, "Mark, you need to forgive them." And I said to him, no, they don't deserve forgiveness. And he said, "It's not for them, it's for you. Because if you don't forgive them, it will eat away at you." And you know what? He was right. So in my heart of hearts, I knew I had to set myself free from this anger and these negative emotions I had towards this person. So in my heart, I found the strength somehow to forgive them. And in fact, I actually went to them face to face and looked them in the eye and told them to their face that I forgave them. And I have to tell you that I haven't thought about that situation and that what happened to me in a negative way since. It's the negative emotion of unforgiveness has been completely broken. And on the other side of forgiveness is freedom. Freedom from the pain, freedom from the hurt, freedom from not allowing those thoughts and those negative emotions to rule your thinking. And forgiveness is a powerful thing. Sometimes we need to forgive. Sometimes we need to forgive our spouse, our partner, our friend, because you do life with people, and intentionally or unintentionally sometimes people let you down. So don't allow unforgiveness to rule your emotions. People who do carry around unforgiveness from a past hurt, a lot of times the people they have the grudge towards don't even know that they've done anything wrong. So here we are carrying around this hurt, this pain for someone that is totally oblivious to it in some cases. So unforgiveness will age you fast. You talk about an anti-aging strategy, forgive, because that'll preserve your youthful appearance, because unforgiveness will age you quick, I can guarantee you that. I know of people who literally have allowed unforgiveness to manifest itself in a physical way. Just that deep-seated resentment towards someone else is an unhealthy way to live, and you have to find it within you, somehow, some way, to forgive that person. In your own heart, to forgive them, and even better still, if you can forgive them face to face, that just completely breaks any negative emotional stronghold over your thinking you have towards them. And you get to live in a free, peace of mind kind of way. That's the ultimate goal, is peace of mind. That's the ultimate goal, to be able to sleep well at night. That's the ultimate goal, is to travel light when it comes to, you know, how you operate and how you roll as an individual. Don't carry around baggage of unforgiveness. It will eat away at your soul, and it will age you quick. And when you do, you'll be free, and you'll be healthy, and you'll be your foundation for building an awesome future is a lot more solid with unforgiveness being totally eradicated out of your life. Up next, step 5. Stay tuned.